Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss box and whisker plots. Okay, in this section, we will learn how to draw and interpret box and whisker plot. Box and whisker plots. Okay. Now, let us take an example where the maximum speed is 80 km per hour, or we can write max is 80 km per hour. The minimum speed is 10 km per hour. The median speed is 49 km per hour. Median is 49 km per hour. The lower quartile Q1 is 42 kilometers per hour, and the upper quartile Q3 is 57 kilometers per hour. Okay, we can present this information on a box and whisker plot. To begin, we draw a horizontal number line using a suitable scale. Okay, the number line must be long enough to contain all the data points. On the top of the number line, the position of the minimum speed, the maximum speed, and the quartiles are indicated as we are about to show on this figure. 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80. Okay, now minimum was 10, so I will indicate it as minimum speed was 10 km per hour, and the maximum speed was 80 kilometers per hour. The maximum speed was 80 kilometers per hour. The median speed was 49 km per hour. Median was 49 kilometers per hour. Then the lower quartile was 42. The lower quartile was 42 kilometers per hour, and the upper quartile is 57 kilometers per hour. Okay, as shown in the figure, a rectangular box is drawn above the number line with the left side showing the lower quartile and the right side showing the upper quartile. A vertical line is then drawn inside the box to indicate the median. The rectangular box represents the box of a box and whisker plot. Let's just represent it in the form of a diagram, and here we will show the scale, and this is basically 42, this is 49, this is 57, and the maximum value is 80, and this is representing the minimum value, maximum value. This is representing 42 is 10 is representing the minimum value, 80 is representing the maximum value, 42 is representing the lower quartile, which is Q1, and 57 is representing the upper quartile, which is Q3, and 49 is representing the median. So this is 10, this is 80, this will be 40, and this will be 50, and this will be 60, 70, and 80. Okay, now let's have a look at some of the examples. Therefore, the final figure is called, this figure is called the box and whisker plot. From the box and whisker plot, the range is basically the range is equal to maximum minus minimum. So what is the maximum value? 80. And what is the minimum value? 10. So 80 minus 10, which is 70 kilometers per hour, is the range. And what is the interquartile range? Interquartile range is basically Q3 minus Q1. Upper quartile minus lower quartile. So the upper quartile is 57 and the lower quartile is 42. So 57 minus 42 is 15 kilometers per hour is basically the interquartile range. So a box and whisker plot is a way of summarizing a set of data. Now, if we are interested in only the 5 values, that is the minimum, the maximum, Q1, Q2 and Q3, then we use a box and whisker plot. But if we need to find the cumulative frequencies or percentiles, then we use the cumulative frequency curve. Thank you.